for your database systems, and again, we're very impressed with the way that you can interrogate those systems and the amount of information that's readily available. So that's very good. And just again to reiterate, the issues that we've raised are actually of a very minor nature, and generally related to descriptions within the SOPs, just as Colin said. One of the requirements of 17025 is that you have an external quality assurance scheme. Obviously, there's not one available for the type of work that you do here. So we've taken that into account, and certainly we consider that you were able to demonstrate through both the lack of negative feedback from your clients, that there is good practices in place here, and also that the fitness for purpose of the testing through the validation process has been confirmed. Lastly, we just put a note that you're encouraged as an organisation to accumulate the validation data that you've got by testing in vitro and in vivo and using indicator plant results, and continue to evaluate these requirements. So you just need to think about, through the information you've got already, which ones, if there are any, you might want to cut down on or indeed concentrate on. So, and just finally there, because of the qualities of CIP, antibodies which are producing are such a key part of this system, we certainly felt that needs to be formally incorporated within the quality system. So that's a thing to be developed further on. Okay. So I think we've raised the issues that we have today over the past 2 days, and clearly your ongoing processes now that you've developed through auditing will raise some more, and will help you to continually improve your systems. And I think this is a sort of starting point for you all, and you've laid down a very good foundation to progress those systems. So we're very pleased with what we're seeing. Okay, so the final recommendation, as a team we make a recommendation to the accreditation manager who makes a decision on accreditation, but our accreditation written there is that accreditation should be granted for the acquisition, maintenance and distribution of in vitro plant material following pathogen screening techniques and using symptom detection on grown-on plants and on host range plants after inoculation with SAP. So obviously this is for potatoes and sweet potatoes, and we put that it's subject to satisfactory discharge of the findings, which means that all of the findings that we've presented to you and the corrective actions, evidence of your putting those things into practice needs to be submitted to UCAS for further assessment to make sure that we agree that you've put them in correctly, and then once that's complete, the whole report with all those corrective actions goes to the accreditation manager to make the final decision. But clearly, I'd just like to say well done to everybody, and the recommendation there stands. So thank you very much indeed. Are there any questions that anybody would like to ask?
Perfect. So thanks very much to Sally and Colin for their efforts, and it's been a great team effort by everybody here. We should be very proud of what we've done.
And finally, I'd like to say thank you to David, because he's certainly been very useful to have seen this process through, and the organisation of it all. So thank you, and to him as well. So,
you mentioned that there are some minor corrections to be done.
yes.
Could you tell us how this is the process of qualification should be done in the next month? Timing for the accreditation
yes.
and so forth?
Yes. You have, because it's an initial assessment, you will have 3 months to put the information together and to submit to us for further assessment of that information. So certainly I think all of the people that Colin has spoken to and I've spoken to are aware what information is required. So we just need to see, for example, a document